Hey guys, I want to give you this quick testimonial for Proofread Anywhere, and I'll try and make this as quick and painless as possible, and try and answer some questions and feedback for you. So my name is Tiffany, and I'm from the mountainous, beautiful, colorful state of Colorado, and so that's where this is coming to you from. My life before Proofread Anywhere, I would say, was probably more me just trying to kind of figure out, like, where can I find ways to, like, bring in additional income? Because, you know, who doesn't want to be able to do that? So that was really kind of where I was at before. First impression of Proofread Anywhere was really, and I did tons of research, so I'll tell you that right off the bat. I did a ton of research, was wanting to find out, you know, different opportunities, different things to do. And so when I found Proofread Anywhere, I was like, this seems really professional, really super put together. And so I was like, this looks like I feel like I'm investing in something that's going to be worth it. That was my first impression. So my initial concerns was, of course, you know, if you're going to invest in something, are you going to end up wasting your money? So no one wants to do that. And I don't in any way feel like that was the case at all. I think it's money well spent, and I've enjoyed it thoroughly. But initial concern is, yikes, there's some money that has to go into this, but you know, if you're investing in yourself, that's always going to be worth the cost that's there. The course resonating with me, or what I, you know, really sort of hit me more, was definitely the mindset shift and that change in like how you approach things, and just how you know, you empower yourself basically to kind of go after the things you want to go after. And a lot of times, you know, there's tons of stuff out there that says, you know, the mind is the battlefield. Totally and definitely is. So if you can conquer that, and if you can be not your worst critic, but your best encourager, I think you're really going to find that you can pretty much do anything, and Proofread Anywhere is no different. So what actions did I take? Mainly the biggest one was definitely building my own website, which I'm super proud of. Didn't have any web building experience or knowledge or anything like that, but if you're willing to go find the resources, if you're willing to put in the work, you're definitely gonna see the results from that. So life looks like now, I started this side business as well as two other ones. So I think really and truly that mindset shift was like really just like the jump starter for me in really believing that it was something I could do and something that I could really tackle and get behind. So huge things there. And in terms of like wins, that's one of the biggest things for me. And that was definitely a challenge too. And would I recommend Proofread Anywhere? Absolutely. Well worth it. The content is excellent. It's well delivered, top-notch stuff. So you won't be disappointed. All right. Thanks.